boy.
Portions of southeast Ohio, southwest Virginia, and West Virginia, including southeast Ohio, Athens, Lincoln,
Where is it?
Notification change. 7:05 a.m. Camera. Stop video button.
Oh.
Virginia, Barber, Braxton, Calhoun,
I'm gonna go to inquire hours now.
Harrison, Jackson, West Virginia, Kenneth, Lewis, Lincoln, Logan, Mason, McDowell, Reno, Northwest Fayette, Northwest
Good boy.
Nicholas, Northwest Pocahontas, Northwest Raleigh, Northwest Randolph, Northwest Webster, Pleasant, Putnam, Richmond, Rome, Southeast Fayette, Southeast Nicholas, Southeast Pocahontas, Southeast Raleigh, Southeast Randolph, Southeast Webster, Taylor, Tyler, Upshur, Worth, and Wyoming. When, through this evening, impacts, flooding may occur in poor drainage areas, urban areas, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Excessive runoff may also result in flooding of creeks and streams. Additional details, flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. This is a flood watch for the following counties in West Virginia: Boone, Clay, Jackson, Kenneth, Lincoln, Mason, Northwest Fayette, Northwest Nicholas, Northwest Raleigh, Daylight Time, Southeast Fayette, Southeast Nicholas, and Southeast Raleigh. Flash flooding caused 3% rainfall, daylight time. Weather watch for second of Southeast Ohio, Southwest Virginia, and West Virginia, by including rainfall possible in Southeast Ohio, portions of Southeast Ohio, Southwest and Washington, West Virginia, in Southwest Virginia, Buchanan, Southeast Ohio, Athens, in West Virginia, Barber, Boone, Braxton, Calhoun, in Southwest Virginia, Gilmer, Macon, Harrison, Jackson, West Virginia, Barber, Lewis, Lincoln, Logan, Mason, Clay, Reno, Northwest Fayette, Northwest Nicholas, Northwest Pocahontas, Northwest Raleigh, Northwest Randolph, Northwest Webster, Pleasant, Northwest Nicholas, Northwest Southeast Fayette, Northwest Nicholas, Northwest Pocahontas, Northwest Southeast Raleigh, Southeast Randolph, Southeast Webster, Taylor, Southeast Nicholas, Worth, and Wyoming, Southeast Raleigh, Southeast Randolph, Southeast Webster. Flooding may occur in poor drainage areas, urban areas, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Excessive runoff may also result in flooding of creeks and stream areas, and other low-lying and details. Flood safety information can be found
On recording. Stop video button. Double tap to activate.
Additional details. Flood safety information can be found in a later forecast and be prepared to take action should flood warning be issued /flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warning be issued. Humidity 100%.